Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the volume profile right here in NinjaTrader. And with adding the volume profile, I mean of course the indicator. So I show you today how to add that indicator. So from here we are having the chart and this is the chart of ES June 26th. And what we're going to do right here is we go to add an indicator. So we do right mouse click and then we go to indicators. And then we search right here in the search bar for volume profile. And then we have right here the order flow and the volume profile. So let's do the order flow volume profile first. And then this one too. And then what we're going to do right here is we click here on apply and then we do OK. And then if we zoom in a little bit more right here, you see right here the order flow. If you go right mouse click and do indicators and we delete one of these, so let's delete this one and we do apply OK, you will see it a little bit more like this. But you see that if you need to go more to the left, and then you will find right here exactly the volume profile. So this is how you can add the order flow volume profile or just the volume profile. So you can decide for yourself what you want to do. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.